Boom, what is up, guys? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. I got a real quick fire kit modification for you guys. You may remember the Sharpen Spark. My goodness, I ain't even finished the first one yet, guys. Uh, anyway, you might remember the Sharpen Spark knife sharpener and fire starter all in one. Not to mention the most important tool on here, the bottle opener. These are hard to find. These are $30. I'm going to show you how to make one similar, same thing only different, for a lot less money. Stick around, guys. Okay, Sharpen Spark. It ain't nothing but a glorified tool sharpener, guys. That's all it is. It's a tool sharpener. This right here will sharpen your garden shears, your pruning shears, your knives. I mean, it's a sharpener. That's what it does. And it has the convenience of fire steel. Yeah, you won't catch my damn table on fire. These tool sharpeners are probably the best striker that you can get for your fire steel, just because I mean they got that 90 degree. They're perfect. I mean, it's perfect for a fire starter. Like I said, this thing is $30, and here lately it's been pretty hard to find. We're going to make one. You've seen this guy. This is the ferro rod and striker out of the Ozark Trail. I do not like these strikers. I don't like them. I don't like the way they're tied up either. I mean, that's very short. I like a little freedom when I'm doing stuff like this. I love the ferro rod. T-handle, it's perfect. Comes in all of your survival kits, the Harbor Freight, the Ozark Trail. You can buy these thing off Amazon for next to nothing. You don't have to get this style. Just get a regular ferro rod. And this is a tool sharpener from Temu. $2. Yeah, you heard me. $2. It's a tool sharpener. It's a flamethrower, guys. This is the best striker for your ferro rod. We're going to put it on here. First thing we're going to do, I mean, this is such a simple hack, guys. So simple that it's crazy. We're going to use the same piece of cordage that's on here. We're getting rid of this because we don't want it. We are going to tie off on the end here. All we're going to do is extend. Wait, first I need to make a slight modification. I don't do the fancy knots that some of you fellas do, so I got to improvise when I'm doing stuff. You don't know the knot, time any, and that's what I do. So here we go. We are tied up. Almost. Sorry. Are we? Yeah, there, we're through. Yeah, there. All right. We are tied up. Then we're just going to take the other end, push it through here, attempt to push it through here. There we go. Tie a knot on the end. Probably going to tie a double just to be safe, that we don't lose our. Yeah, that ought to work. Yeah, that'll work. And look at that. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Look how long that is. Plenty of room to work with. This is great. I love this. You can put a loop in here, put a carabiner on it. You can make this all one piece, put a longer, put it on. I mean, however you want to do it. Like I've told you many times, make it your own. But compared to this, so much better, guys. $2 on Temu. Like I said, sometimes you find some pretty good deals on Temu. I got like 2 or 3 of these when I ordered them. Now you can also buy these in Lowe's and Home Depot, probably Ace Hardware, places like that. They run about 10 bucks a piece. I mean, Temu's good for something anyway. Simple tool sharpener, and you can sharpen your knives, sharpen your tools, and you can start a fire, guys. Like I said, this is just a real quick fire kit hack, making your own sharpen spark. It's not brain surgery or rocket surgery, or you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, you know. Happy Friday. Anywho, do me a favor, go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification, give me that thumbs up. Check us out on Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. And with all of that, be safe, God bless. Get outside, people.